Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to make any keyboard key to be automatically press and hold in any Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. First, open any web browser and search for an application called Mouse Keyboard Clicker Holder. On the first search result, you'll see its official website. Click on it and then click the download button to download the application. Step 2. Inside the application, you'll see several options. The first option is Action, and below it, you'll find two choices, Auto Click or Hold. Since we want the key to be pressed and held, select the Hold option. Next, choose the device you want to use. You can select either a mouse or a keyboard. For this tutorial, I'll select the keyboard. Below that, you'll see an option to select the specific key you want to use. Click on it, and then press the key you want to automate. For example, I'll press the Shift key, and you'll see it selected in the application. Step 3. At the bottom, you'll see an option that says press F6 to start or stop. Once you've configured all the settings, minimize the application. Now open a program like Notepad, click on the program window, and press F6 on your keyboard. The selected key, in this case the Shift key, will now be automatically pressed and held. If I press any key now, you'll see all the letters typed in uppercase because the Shift key is being held. To stop this, press F6 again, and the application will stop holding the key. Now, if I type, the letters will return to lowercase. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.